want to dump this down
The other way.
hill?
Hold the other. That works too. What do you need?
Dump it
Hi,
down
Clo. What are you doing?
For the deers and that?
Yeah.
Hey, Chloe. What are you doing?
Yeah, okay.
Or, Chloe.
My short.
Yeah.
Are you shucking corn?
We'll have more to do. I'll do it.
Chloe, are you shucking corn?
I am.
Oh, see. I'll be right back.
Where's the deer going?
She's dumping the corn husk for the deer. We'll do it more. We'll do more.
That's the tough part.
Yeah. Oh, you're so strong. Pull. Oh, you're the strongest.
Stronger.
Stronger, yes.
Hey, Chloe.
Ah.
Chloe, look at me. Look at mommy. Chloe. Chloe.
Look at that corn
Chloe.